Just a quick video to show the condition of this Dyson V6 car stairs upholstery vacuum cleaner. Comes in full working order, good clean condition. Everything has been cleaned but has dust in tight places. So it comes with a motorised head, a crevice tool and a combination tool, official Dyson power supply, and the main unit. The filter's been washed and cleaned, the head's been washed and cleaned, the bin's been washed and cleaned. This has a brand new 6000 mAh battery fitted, purchased last week just for this listing. It's brand new. As you can see, it does have used scratch marks as being a used item. Show it working quickly. Two modes. Economy mode and max mode. Economy mode, the battery lasts longer till you have to charge it. Max mode, it's more powerful, battery drains a lot quicker. I have another 9 of these listed, all different colours, all in good working order. Any questions, please ask. Thank you.